Morning all. I'm very excited today. I've had a delivery. It's my first delivery of leather. I don't really know what to expect. It's going to be very exciting to open up and see what I actually can't even remember what I've ordered. I know I've got a variety of things. So let's get to it. Let's see what I've got in my parcel. It's been a while, can't even remember what I ordered. I have to check my order. Lordy Lord. Can't remember ordering that, but I'm very pleased I did. I have to check the order, but this is very 1mm, it looks like, whatever that is, 2 ounce maybe. Good for wallets, good for all sorts of things. Very nice. That looks very nice. Got some ideas for that. Got a great idea for a sunglasses case this morning. Very much for that. That's very good. Get more wrapping. This is a whole load of scraps which are good for linings. Very, yeah, nice. Great for linings and what have you, very soft items. Different colours, mainly yellow, bit of black. Scraps, good for practice, good for little small things. Okay, quite pleased with that. Let's just wrap that up. This is the main. I'm very impressed by the way they've wrapped this. I have no idea if this is normal, how your leather goods suppliers wrap things, but it's obviously been done with care. So that's quite pleasing to see. Big hole in that bit. I think this is the slice. Pretty sure that's the slice. Full hide. And this is 2 cuts. Yeah, 2 cuts. It's about 2 mil, I think, which accounts to something like 4 ounces or something like that, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 ounces. A few marks on there. I didn't buy premium quality, I bought second quality, so that's why there are a few things. There's a bit of stretch marks in there as well, but a lot of this I plan to dye, so I'm not overly worried, and I quite like the look of that. Again, this one, funny enough, here has a hole in the middle. That looks like maybe a barbed wire scratch. There's a couple more there. So all in all, that's pretty good. Quite pleased with that. It's not as thick as the kind of stuff that I see guys on YouTube doing. Their stuff seems to start with much heavier thing, but I intend to be doing materials that are much more European, lighter, softer, nothing heavy like saddlebags. This is quite interesting, this slice. Again, I don't know how I'm going to use this, but it was very cheap, so I'm not that worried. Yeah, pretty good. Let me just have a quick look at the label. Not sure if I get any information on this. Yeah, so to give you some idea here, these are the 2 half sides in a natural 2mm, about 26 square foot or 2.8 square yards of second grade veg tan. Total price was €37. The calf side, which was the this piece of resin split, was €11. So whatever I'm going to do with that, that's just cheap as chips. That's quite good. The black that I did was a vegetable natural split, €15. No, sorry, my mistake. The black was €37 for a whole half hide. And all those bits and pieces, the remnants, which is suede sheep, was €16. So including everything on this whole thing. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 the black and a whole load of soft lining material, including the shipping to me, came to €168. Should keep me going for a while. So all in all, I'm very pleased with what I've got. The delivery time took a while, but that's a lot of that is down to what's going on in the world at the moment. And now I'm very, very enthusiastic and excited about starting my journey. Thanks for watching. See you next time.